Welcome to the Kirby family. By investing in a Kirby vacuum, you are investing in a complete home cleaning system. This is an introductory video. Always read the owner's manual before using the system. During this video, pay attention to the alert symbol and signal words throughout the video. If you cannot locate your manual, please contact the Kirby Company or visit us online at www.kirby.com. Chapter 1 covers the basic parts of the unit. Turn the unit on or off by pressing the power button. The toe touch control is used to select the proper cleaning height. If the unit is too high off the floor, it will not clean properly. To set the proper height, first lower the nozzle all the way down by repeatedly pressing the upper toe touch control pedal. Press the lower pedal one notch at a time to raise the unit. The lowest setting is used for low pile carpets. Raise the nozzle 1 or 2 clicks for hard surface floors and longer fiber carpets. When vacuuming pet hair, raise the unit 3 clicks. The pedals below the power button control the Tech Drive Power Assist. Turn the unit on. Adjust the unit to the proper cleaning height. Then push down the right pedal, marked D for Drive, to turn Tech Drive on. This makes it easy to push the unit while vacuuming. The unit can be used without Tech Drive Power Assist. Put Tech Drive in neutral by pushing the left button, marked with the letter N, down. Before turning the unit off, always raise the nozzle as high off the floor as possible and then put Tech Drive in neutral. This makes it easier to push the unit when it is off. To avoid damage to the floor, put Tech Drive Power Assist in neutral before vacuuming soft tile or hard floors. The brush roll indicator light will confirm if the brush roll is spinning. When the brush roll is spinning, the light will shine continuously. The light should be on for carpet cleaning. If the light does not come on, the brush roll is not spinning. The belt lifter determines whether or not the brush roll will spin. The belt lifter is also used to convert the unit into other modes. When using the belt lifter, raise the unit all the way up, turn off, and unplug the unit. Caution: do not turn the belt lifter when the unit is on. Raise the headlight hood. Flip out the handle on the belt lifter and turn it counterclockwise until the red arrows line up. The belt lifter will catch the belt and lift it off the rotating shaft to prevent the brush roll from spinning. Close the handle and lower the headlight hood to use it as a straight suction cleaner. The brush roll indicator light will be off. Re-engage the brush roll prior to storage. Leaving the belt stretched on the hook for extended periods may damage the belt. To re-engage the belt so the brush roll spins, turn the unit off and unplug it. Raise the headlight hood, flip out the handle, and turn the lifter clockwise until the green arrows line up. Close the handle and lower the headlight hood. When it is time to change the disposable bag, turn off and unplug the unit. Unzip the outer bag and pull out the top adapter along with the disposable bag. It is time to change the disposable bag when the dirt reaches the full line. Check that the bag support strap is attached to the top adapter. If not, thread the strap through the small hole on the adapter and secure over the stud. To install a new disposable bag, first place the faceplate over the bottom tab, then pivot the faceplate up and attach the tabs over the holders. Insert the top adapter and disposable bag inside the permanent bag and zip completely. Caution: do not use the unit as a vacuum cleaner without a filter bag in place. For best performance, use only genuine Kirby disposable bags. The upright handle has a series of fasteners that keep the cord out of the way while vacuuming. The cord snaps into the holders on the back of the handle. With the upper cord hook in the up position, wrap the cord toward the rear of the unit and slide the cord under the holder on the hook. The cord can only be inserted into this holder when the upper cord hook is in the up position. The cord can be wrapped around both hooks for storage. To release the cord, rotate the upper cord hook down. The first loop will remain in the holder. The Mini M-Tor collects large, heavy particles that are picked up while vacuuming. To empty the Mini M-Tor, turn off the unit and unplug it from the outlet. Remove the top of the bag by pressing the release button. Then, grasp the Mini M-Tor by the handle at the bottom. Rotate it away from the unit and lift it off. Hold the Mini M-Tor over a newspaper and shake it to remove any debris. Avoid intentionally picking up heavy objects. They could damage the unit. Slide the Mini M-Tor over the exhaust port, lining up the raised lines. Rotate the Mini M-Tor toward the bag until it clicks to lock in place. To reattach the bag, insert the tab into the handle latch. If the Mini M-Tor is not securely locked in place, the safety switch will not allow the unit to turn on. The tilt latch locks the handle to make moving the unit easier. Sliding the tilt latch toward the bag allows the user to push down on the handle to lift the unit over a door threshold or throw rug. Sliding the tilt latch away from the bag locks the base in place before lifting the unit off the floor. The unit can be lifted using the convenient bag arm handle or with the grip in the center of the handle. The tilt latch also allows the unit to be stored in a vertical position. First, lower the handle all the way down, then move the tilt latch away from the bag. Before using the unit again, press down slightly and hold on to the handle. Move the tilt latch to the center position. Caution: firmly grasp the handle before unlocking the handle tilt latch lever.